Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 12 assignment of the course Cloud Computing. Guys, for the past 5 years we have been providing solutions, most accurate solutions. So with this week we will be going to end our course for this semester. Guys, please watch the video till the end. If you got benefited and getting benefited through our channel, definitely support us forever guys. Definitely subscribe our channel forever. Don't forget to like the video. It will help other students also find our videos. Let's see the first one. The key features of mobile cloud computing for 5G networks include. So for first question, there are three probable solutions. Option B, sharing of resources. Option C, offloading data processing. And the other one is option A, reliability improvement. Guys, please watch the video till the end. If I make any changes in between the video, you can be able to note that. So mark A, B and C. Next, moving on to the second question. Second one, cyber physical system is all about dash of the physical and the cyber. So for second question, option B, intersection is the probable solution. So mark option B. Next, moving on to the third one. Third question. Cloud computing services provide a flexible platform for realizing the goals of cyber physical systems. It is absolutely true, guys. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we'll update that in the comment section, and you can suggest your solutions as well. So before moving into the fourth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. For the course Cloud Computing, we have prepared exam preparation MCQs with 5 years of NPTEL experience. So here you are going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs, 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. For one person it is 300 rupees guys. If you take it along with your friends or classmates in a group of 2 to 5 persons access, you'll get it for combined price of 500 rupees only. So for the whole group of 2 to 5 persons, the price will be 500 rupees only. So please ask your friends to join along with you, and one person from the group mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So already many students guys, already many students have taken our pack, and even professors as well taken our many PDF packs and got benefited. So huge number of 300 MCQs, you'll get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So these 300 MCQs are combination of past NPTEL assignment MCQs as well as our own handmade MCQs extracted from 100% of NPTEL lectures. So huge number of 300 MCQs. For one person it is 300. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So bk179417@gmail.com. So this is the mail ID guys. There is another membership, that is YouTube membership also. Here you will only get 100 plus MCQs, but the price is 89 rupees, available in video format for one person and for 1 month. But 300 MCQs is the validity will be till the exam results day, and in PDF format. So for YouTube membership, the validity will be for 1 month, and it is only for one person, 89 rupees, video format. If you want this YouTube membership, no need to mail us. You can directly go to our YouTube channel page. So Kumar Edu is our YouTube channel page. So beside the subscribe button, there is a join button. Click on this. So a small window will open like this after clicking on the join button. Select the second one, videos only for members pack, that is 89 per month pack. And again click on this blue color join button and make payment directly to YouTube after filling the form. That's it. You will become member of our channel, and you can get access to all of our members only videos playlist. Here you can see we have prepared many videos including cloud computing also, part 1 and part 2 available. So you can get all these videos for the same 89. But my suggestion is, if you are preparing for final exam point of view only for cloud computing, if you want to focus on this particular subject, it's better to take this 300 MCQs pack, because you can cover more syllabus compared to 100 MCQs. So the validity will be till the exam results day for the PDF. Already hundreds of students and professors even have taken our various PDF packs, guys. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. Already many students even started taking this pack and already started preparing, guys. So take it now itself. You get ample amount of time to prepare and even revise as well. It is easy to revise. Right? Now let's get back to the solutions. So fourth question, the advantages of cyber physical cloud computing. Fourth question. So here there are two probable solutions. The first one is option A, modular composition, and the other one is option D, reliability and resiliency or anything, right? So mark option A and option D. Next, fifth one. A dash is a trace generated by a moving object in a geographical space, usually represented by a series of chronologically ordered points. So for fifth question, option C, spatial trajectory. Spatial trajectory is the probable solution, guys. So mark option C. Next, sixth one. Limitations of IoT devices is or are. So what are the limitations? So sixth question, there are three probable solutions. The first one is option C, processing. The other one is option D, guys, power requirement, and the other one is option B, storage. So mark the last three options as the probable solutions. Next, seventh one. So the first statement is false, guys, and second statement is true. So mark option B, only statement 2 is true. So mark option B as the probable solution for seventh question. Next, eighth one. Customized wearable devices for collecting health parameters are the best examples of. So for eighth question, option D, Cloud Fog Edge IOHT. So mark option option D as the probable solution. Next, ninth one. Ninth question. The cyber-physical system involves transdisciplinary approaches merging the theory of cybernetics, mechatronics, design, and process science. So for ninth question, option A, true is the probable solution, guys. So mark option A. So before getting into the 10th and final question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So for the course Cloud Computing, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs with 5 years of NPTEL experience. You're going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. For one person, it is 300 rupees. For 2 to 5 persons, combinedly 500. So please take this along with your friends or classmates to save more amount. Even if you are one person, no need to worry. You can get it for 300 rupees only. Already many students have started taking the pack and already started preparing, guys. So take it now itself. Mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. And there is YouTube membership. If you want this sample pack 100 plus MCQs, you can take directly paying to the YouTube. If you want 300 MCQs, then definitely mail me to this email ID, guys. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. So the last question. 5G network technology has proven to offer a theoretical download speed of 10 gigabits per second. Actually, it should be, actually it should not be 1, it should be 10. But they have given 1. So it should be false. So mark probable answer as option B, false. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for this week and for the whole course this semester. So I wish you very all the best for your final exam. Don't get tensed, guys. Try to remember. If you keep calm, then it will be easy for remembering the solutions and concepts. So mail me to this email ID to purchase the PDF of 300 MCQs. So once again, very all the best for your final exam, and I want to thank each and everyone who have supported us throughout this journey, guys. So keep supporting us like this and keep subscribe our channel forever, guys. and definitely like the video, and please share this news with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp, college and official groups. So that's it guys, goodbye.